Hey you guys, in advance, let me apologize for my boyfriend's stupid remarks on 2K because he's playing it right next to me, but this is today's look. This is something I never usually do, but let's just get into it. As a base, we use the First Day Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. This is the shade medium. I just blended it out with a Sigma 3D sponge. On my brows, I use Benefit Cabral in shade 3.5 and 4.5. And now we're going into the Anastasia Sultry palette. It's so pretty, but these colors were so hard for me to use. The first one we're going in with is Birch with a Sigma E35 as our transition. These colors aren't something that I normally go for, so it took me like a week to come up with a look, and yeah, this was a challenge, but I really do like this palette. Next, we're taking the color Slate and going in with the Morphe M139 brush and just putting this in the crease as our crease color. Now we're just going with this dark chocolate and like a cool tone kind of chocolate brown color and just deepening up the crease. And now we're cutting the crease with Tarte Shape Tape. This is a shade Light Neutral. And honestly, I like this to cut the crease, but I'm not really too keen on putting it under my eyes because I do have dry under eyes. But I really do like this for cutting the crease and on the face. And next is the color Cyborg, and we're packing that all over the lid with one of these little sponges. And if I ever don't dip into a color that you guys want me to like, use out of a palette, just let me know in the comments down below on what you want me to use. I believe this is the shade Ember, and we're just going to pack that on the outer corner of the lid. Next, we're taking the CoverGirl Get In Line liquid liner. This is a shade 320. I think it's called Major Matte Black. And we're just making a really thick wing liner. But honestly, I don't know what happened to her lower lash line, you guys. I think I wasn't recording when I was doing it, so I'm sorry about that. For primer, we're using Benefit Professional, and I really like this primer because it really does smooth all my texture. For a base for my foundation, we're using the Cover Effects Click Stick. I cannot say that at all, but this is the shade G40, and just, putting that all over my face. And if this boy beside me don't be quiet, I'ma slap him. And I'm just mixing these Becca Aqua Luminous foundation into this. This is the shade Beige. I don't know how I feel about this foundation, but it does make more matte foundations easier to wear if I mix it in with it. And the brush that I'm using to blend in my foundation is the Sigma F80. Just using the same concealer to conceal everything on my face pretty much. To set that concealer, we're using the Rimmel Instamatte powder. I'm not sure why I did this before cream contouring, but it worked out fine. This is one of the Rimmel contour sticks. I believe this is a shade medium, and I'm just cream contouring and highlighting my face and blending it out with my foundation brush. I was gone for a while in this video, I'm sorry. But now we're using the Profusion Sculpt and Glow palette. And I'm just using this for contour, blush, and highlight. And I kind of go overboard right here. But we're just going to blend that out. Yeah, like it never happened. I just want to say, don't sleep on Profusion because look at that glow. And they're like, they're coming up. So I definitely would check out Profusion right now. For lips, using the Buxom Plump Line and Code Red. Like I said, I don't know what happened to the lower lash line or the lashes. But yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. And on top of that, we're taking the Buxom Pillow Pout in the shade Seduce Me. I cannot talk tonight. I think it's because I'm finally doing a voiceover with someone in the room. But yeah, just popping this on. I really love this red color. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch this tutorial. Leave me comments down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video.